Kato, you got your blanket? You got your blanket? What are you doing? What are you doing? You walking around with your blanket? Hi, buddy. How do you bark with a blanket in your mouth? You're going to take your blanket out there, it's going to get wet. Papa has the sprinkler on. Here. No, your blanket's going to get all wet. Come here, buddy. I told you Papa had the sprinkler on. Hi, Lucy. What are you doing? Hi, Kato. What are you doing with your blanket? Huh? What are you doing with your blanket? Say hi, Lucy. You want Mommy to take your blanket? Here, I'll take it. All right, maybe I won't.